Glory of the chair. A unique impact on human life. People sit on me, people rest on me. People lovingly call me a chair. Leaders love me, people respect me. Everyone is ready to fight for the chair. The chair is pride, leaders sing praises of the chair. The glory of the chair is unlimited, ready to do anything for the chair. Leaders sing the glory of the chair, leaders cling to the chair. Leaders spoil the game for the sake of such an illusion chair. There is immense power in the chair. Leaders have immense devotion in the chair. Leaders doing rigging in the greed of the chair. There is an immense illusion in the chair. That is why sycophants make shadows. Everywhere there is a fight for the chair. The world sings the glory of the chair. What scandal happened to the chair? There was a lot of upheaval in the world. There was more than one game. Innumerable battles took place. Countless history happened for the chair itself. In the tug of the chair, each other became an enemy. The illusion of the chair seemed as if the chair was the mother. The chair is the father, the chair is the ultimate penance. And leaders feel the illusion of the chair in such a way that he keeps chanting the name of the chair all the time, taking the support of the chair. Leaders loot in different ways. Leaders tell different kinds of lies. There is looting for the chair. The leaders play tricks on the chair. Leaders do all kinds of things to get hold of the chair. The chair has that power. Ordinary people also become extraordinary. That's why clever people fool people for the chair. Everyone votes for the chair. Votes are sold for the sake of the chair. For the sake of getting the chair. The leaders shower notes. Saw sheep turning into lions by taking the support of a chair. There is that magic in the chair. I have seen luck changing.